going on? It's JP again, man, and haven't been here in a long time, so figured I drop a quick tutorial real quick, low fade. Hope y'all like it. Let me know what y'all think. Hey, glad to be back. Hope y'all being safe out there, all right? See you. I start my cut by using the 18 skip tooth to cut to the desired length, and the reason I use the 18 skip tooth is because it's very good with wave length hair when you're doing with wave textured hair. Notice I have the cowlick in the front and I'm going overlapping my strokes. But the 18 skip tooth is a very good blade to use. I go from that to the 1.5, which you're seeing right here, to make a more smoother cut. Still the 18th skip tooth wavelength cut, but it's more of a smoother trim cut. So now I jump from that and I go straight into my initial line of demarcation. What I'm using is a Babyliss trimmer. Notice the green tag. Yeah, I got it. I got my trimmer, not modified, but maintenance at Scissors Clinic in LA. Go check that man out if you get a chance. Makes good work. So now I'm going to the Cordless Master with the Fat Master blade. And I already used it for my initial line or second line of demarcation. Now I open it up because it opens up to a 2. And I'm going to start by transitioning down. What I'm using is a reverse fade technique and got it all the way open. I moved it halfway. Now I'm closing it, clipper over combing. And as you see, the fade is starting to come together. See, I'm not just all clipper, all guards. This is all a little bit technique. Should I say more technique than anything else? And knowing where to go, seeing, eyeballing where I'm at, and detailing as I need. So now I'm transitioned to the Wahl Magic Clip, which is my favorite cordless clipper, and I'm using a Speedo Guide 0. No, it's not even. Yeah, it's a 0. I'm sorry, not a 0. It was a little smaller 0. It's 1/16. My fault. But yeah, I just went ahead and I'm detailing as I need, where I need. Took the guard off now, so I'm just spot mopping, as it's called. I'm using a brush. The only time I use a brush is really on a fade line. Other than that, I use a comb. So I'm just detailing apart what I need, where I'm at. Knows he had dry skin, but I compensate for that. So now I move over to the lining process when I'm using a cordless TiZer 2, which is discontinued and has been for like 5-6 years. So if you find one, make sure you keep it. Now I'm going to finish it off with the Tune 45 razor. And I'm going to go ahead and tell you, I was not a fan of Tune 45 at first, and I never really used their products. But after this, gotta say, it is probably the best razor I've used. One, it comes with 3 different handles, 3 different exposed sets, and the shave gel is the best. And then I finish it off with skimming the loose hairs with the Magic Clip. And now you see the end result. Thank you for tuning in. Hope you come back. Hope I see you soon. Subscribe.